To business now, Nigerian stock ASI increased by over 600 points, steadily eliminating the YTD losses. Equities market closes on a positive note as market cap gains 64.93 billion naira. Nigerian bourse records decline after market cap dips by 82.83 billion naira. The NGX closed on a negative note amid sell-offs and buy interest as the benchmark all-share index depreciated by 19 basis points. The NGX ASI closed at 42,167.91 points to reflect a decline of 0.19% from the previous trading day and a year-to-date return of 4.71%. Meanwhile, the market capitalization decreased by 41.78 billion naira. At the close of market today, Friday the 3rd of December 2021, the stock exchange market value currently stands at 22.00 trillion naira from 22.04 trillion naira in the previous trading day. Joining me on News Central now is Yetunde Adeleke, the Group Head, Treasury Sales, TrustBanc Capital Management Limited. Hello, Yetunde. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
All right. So what would you tell us led to the market's bearish closing last week?
Okay. Thank you for having me once more. The bearish performance in the market was actually widely anticipated, following the usual sell-off and profit-taking activity that characterizes the very first, the yellow tide season, that's December in the year. Funds managers and PFAs, institutional clients will take position to rebalance their portfolio, towards the new year. Also, the effect of the Omicron pandemic actually affected the market activities. Investors would take flight to safety to ensure that they minimize the effect of the market, on their investments. There was a lot of sell-off that was seen in all market segments, especially the large caps. This was led by MTN. You know that MTN actually they started the retail sale of their shares, about 575 million of their shares in the market last week. And so this was led by MTN, and the weekly losers chart was led by them, being the second most capitalized stock in the market. Thank you.
Right. All right, yesterday, can you tell us if there are any other major developments recorded during the trading?
Oh, okay. Aside from the MTN Nigerian public offer, there was nothing really major that happened in the market last week. I'd like us to bear in mind that public offer is the largest that has come to the market in the last 15 years. So it was major in the market last week.
Right. How about if there was any other developments in the fixed income market?
Last week, the fixed income market was a bit slow. There was a lot of cherry picking here and there for long maturities for the bond market. However, we expect the Treasury bill auction this week, and also bearing in mind that the government had plan to do about 5 trillion borrowings in the year 2022 on the back of the budget that was released recently. And so we anticipate that there will be the borrowings will be done at a premium, and because of this, investors are taking position to just stay in the short end of the market. So we anticipate a lot of activities in the coming Treasury auction for investors to take position for the next year in terms of the borrowings from the government. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, today, for joining me.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
All right.